Okay guys, we're doing Rocket Man by Elton John. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. And then it starts over. So, hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. You can't see up here, but my website, I have a website, it's called webpianoteacher.com. Just check my YouTube channel page and you'll find it on there, the link. And for members of the site, the rest of the song is on the website right now. But here's a part 1 for you for free. Now, I didn't write out every little single thing that Elton plays because that would be pointless. You know, it would just be really monotonous to go through and find every little single note and notate the whole thing that way. So what I did is I wrote the chords, and I'm going to kind of show you and get you started kind of improvising with rhythms like he does, and then kind of use that as a roadmap for your playing. It's a lot more enjoyable that way, trust me, than trying to be, you know, go through and find every little single note. So let's get going. The first chord is a G minor 7. We have F, B flat, and D. But on the left hand, we're going to have a G octave. I know I only have one G there, but let's play a G octave. That means 2 Gs. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight. So the rhythm, something like that, up. About 4 counts, 4 long counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me give you something to do if you're not able to improvise with rhythms yet. The sunlight's coming through. I'm going to turn this the other way. It's not in my eyes. There we go. Something like bum, 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 bum. And then you can keep that going all the way through just to get you started, okay? Now on this one, E, G, B flat, D, and we have a C octave in the left hand, which gives us a C9 chord if you're interested. 1, 2, and then he does this. Same chord, but just plays it from bottom to top. So 1, 2, ba 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 bum, and then we go back to here, do this chord. Dun, 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 bum, bum. Now this chord is quick. It's a transitional chord to get us to this E flat chord. And it is F, B flat, D. Left hand's on the D octave, and you kind of accent it. Bum, bum. Okay, and then we'll get to the E flat chord. So let's go back and look at the rhythm a little bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ba 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 ba. Back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so that's the rhythm we want there. Here we have G, B flat, E flat. Left hand's on an E flat octave. And you can keep that same rhythmic thing if you want to. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and for those of you who are able to do a little more, go for that. So let's start at the beginning. Let's put the words with it so it'll kind of make sense here. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be, so that's where and I'm gonna be. And I'm gonna be high. Okay, so only 2 counts on that. And here we're gonna have, he does a little, what I call a country third. Middle C and F together, and then flip the C to a D. And then we have F, B flat, and D for the chord. It's really an all F, B flat, D chord, but he puts a little thing there in the beginning of it. Left hand's on a D octave. And then we go to G, C, E flat, and then a C octave for the C minor chord. Let's go ahead and learn the chords, and then we'll go back and put some rhythm to it. G, C, E flat, F. So all we're doing is adding an F to that chord and changing the bass note to a B flat. Now, here, from here on, is the kind of fill that he does on an F chord. And I wrote it all out because this one's kind of important. Because we all hear this in our mind when we play it. We want to, play it like he does it here especially. So I wrote the whole fill out. Let's get to that in a minute, okay? Let's go back through the chords. I'm going to go through and sing it again, and then we'll kind of look at what I'm playing. Here we go. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite riding. So it's pretty much, I guess when you get here, start here, it's kind of a 2 count. 1, 2. A straight forward 1, 2, and you can just play straight chords, or you can do this. I'm kind of doing a dun 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 dun, kind of a together lift, right, right, left, together lift, right, right, left, together. Okay, so that'll get you started. Now let's do this fill here. Let me take a peek at how much time I have. YouTube only allows 10-minute videos, and I have to stop for 10 minutes or it'll get rejected when I try to upload it. So here's the fill. This will actually be easier to learn because it's written out verbatim. Alright, we have F, A, C, F. I'm going to go quickly for the sake of time and then play the notes one at a time. F, A, C, F, and then a single A, and then A, C, F. Middle C, A, and then A, C, F again, then an A, and then A, C, G, and then C, F, A, C, F, C, A. Notice we're staying right in the same general area. C, F, A, C, A, C, F, A, C, G, A, C, F. So it's all right here, okay? We're just vamping here. A octave, A octave, A octave, A octave. Okay, now let's put it together. Together. And then right, right, and then together there, right, right, together, right, 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 left comes in between, right, right, together, right, right, and then left by itself, right, together there, right, 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 and then left comes by itself, and then right, right. Now here's the rhythm, slowly for this box. Bum, 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 bum. Again, bum, 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 bum. Here's the rhythm for this one. Ba, 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 ba. Again. Da, 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 da. Here's the rhythm for this one. Da, 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 ba, ba, ba. Again. Da, 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 da. Rhythm for the last box. Ba, 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 ba. One more time. Okay, now let's put that whole part together there. Alright, so starting right here we have bum, 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 bum. I did that wrong. Let me do it again. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that's the whole little vamping part for that. And again, the rest of the parts are on the website right now. So really listen to the beginning of that. Try to do your own, kind of improv rhythm. Because I guarantee you Elton plays it different every time he plays it. You just kind of have to get in there and start trying stuff out to get that, to learn how to improvise rhythmically with chords that way. And so again, we don't want to write down every single note all the time, but give you an outline, a skeleton of the chords, and then just work on improvising on your own.